In the frosty winter of 1773, Boston, Massachusetts, simmered with tension. The American colonies, long oppressed by the British Crown, reached a boiling point over a tax on tea, a beverage central to the daily lives of many colonists. The tax, imposed by the Tea Act of 1773, was a blatant attempt by the British to boost the East India Company's struggling profits. The colonists, however, saw it as another example of the Crown's tyranny. On the night of December 16, a secret meeting was held by the Sons of Liberty, a patriotic group of colonists led by Samuel Adams and Paul Revere. Their plan, to force 3 ships, carrying a total of 342 chests of tea, to return to England. As the cloak of darkness descended, a crowd gathered at Griffin's Wharf. Dressed as Mohawk Indians, the Sons of Liberty, armed with axes, shovels, and ropes, boarded the ships. The tea, valued at over £10,000, was unloaded and thrown into the harbor. The Boston Tea Party was a bold and daring act of defiance, marking a turning point in the relationship between the American colonies and Britain. The event was met with outrage in London, leading to the passage of the Coercive Acts, which further strained relations and galvanized the American colonies towards revolution. In the aftermath, the Boston Tea Party became a symbol of patriotism and resistance, inspiring future acts of defiance and ultimately leading to the Declaration of Independence in 1776. The event, while destructive, was a catalyst for the birth of a new nation. In the annals of history, the Boston Tea Party stands as a testament to the power of unity, courage, and defiance in the face of tyranny. It serves as a reminder that the actions of a few can spark a revolution, and that the pursuit of freedom is a noble and enduring cause.